Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at another health drink. This is a drink for the metabolism, targeting specifically overweight. Abdominal obesity should be fought early because of its association with higher cardiovascular risk. So a flat abdomen, so whatever drink you're going to make, helps people with need to have a flat abdomen. So a bloated stomach is usually due to a combination of accumulated fats, liquid retention, or intestinal gases, accompanied by muscular flaccidity of the abdomen wall. So flattening the abdomen, of course, require an abdominal muscle toning exercise. Or in addition to the diuretics, intestinal softener, and fat burners, you might also need a natural nutritional booster. So the flat abdomen smoothie that you're going to create correctly combine all the necessary action needed to reduce your abdominal obesity. So the papayas and the pineapple juice that I've just extracted from my juice extractor are intestinal diuretics and softeners, and we're also going to use hibiscus tea, which is also a fat burning agent. So the result is a delicious and an healthy smoothie that is suitable for all ages, especially recommended for those that have begun to portray the poorly named happiness curve, that is having a stomach that is carved out. We're going to make this recipe, or we're going to use a cup of peeled chopped papayas. I'm also going to use a half cup, so this is a half cup of pineapple juice. This is the small serving one, but if you have a larger cup, ensure you use a half of it. Then I'm also going to pour half of this hibiscus tea to a blender and mix until I achieve a smooth liquid. So an abdominal perimeter increases above 120 centimeters in men and about 88 centimeters in women. This ends up being a cardiac risk indicator. So a flat abdomen, a smoothie that you're going to make, relieves the heart work and also reduces the cardiovascular risk. So the properties of this juice is basically it's a weight reducing agent, it's a diuretic, it is an intestinal softener, and it also helps in the normal digestive process. Because of the sweetness of the pineapple juice, it will not be recommended to add any other sweetener, but if you feel you need to increase the sweetness, you can add stevia or any other health alternative. So I'm going to go ahead and blend all this.